아니, 보시오, 미스카사이 가는 건 신하비. 나 위가 가는 너가 고생데 봐야 막 나 맛있게 맛도 다고 하게 신하비 나는 막 맛있거니 가니. 이는 저하고 하면서 저가 나면 가게 니 찬스 나는 나 그냥 왜 막는 나도. 하면서 스코이지. Today is Wednesday, February 24, 2021. Statewide COVID-19 numbers are as follows. 7,207,381 have been tested. 480,845 tested positive. Of those positive, 37,540 are healthcare workers. 467,969 are no longer in need of isolation and are on their way to recovery. 6,443 have passed on. 4,040 of the deaths resided in long-term or assisted living facilities. Beltrami County had an overall total of 3,353 cases. As of today, there is 26 active cases. 3,327 have recovered. 4 are in the hospital, 2 are from Beltrami County, 2 are from other counties. There is 50 deaths so far. The Red Lake Emergency Response Team COVID-19 update. As of today, we have 16 active cases on the Red Lake Reservation. 10 are in Red Lake, 1 in Rigby, 1 in Panema, 4 in Little Rock. Out of the 16 active cases, 2 are in ICU. We have had an overall total of 423 positive cases. 407 have recovered. The Red Lake Hospital is continuing to provide COVID vaccines to the general public. In the coming weeks, the hospital will host several mass vaccination clinics with no appointments necessary. The goal is to vaccinate all community members who want to be vaccinated. If you have questions about the vaccine, please call the message number of 679-0143 and leave your name and number for a callback. They return calls Monday through Friday. There is a vaccination clinic this week from 8:30 a.m. to 3 o'clock p.m. in the physical therapy room. It's open to anyone 18 over who would like to receive a COVID vaccine. They are doing the first and second doses during this time. Please watch for the Red Lake Hospital and Red Lake Tribal Council Facebook pages for details and updates related to the next coming events. The Red Lake Hospital is continuing to provide COVID testing. Call 679-3912 and press 1. The new testing site is located across the street from the hospital in the new drive-thru building. Everyone should continue taking all the safety precautions even if you have been vaccinated. Wear a mask in public places. Keep your distance from others and sanitize as much as possible. Avoid large gatherings to keep safe. If you feel sick, please stay home. If you are quarantined or isolation, please follow through with the requested guidelines of the contact tracing team. This is very important to help keep our numbers down. The Red Lake Embassy report from Muriel Dickinson, Director. The trial for Derek Chauvin is scheduled to begin on March 8th. Minneapolis officials announced that they will be assigning Minnesota National Guard and law enforcement to patrol business areas throughout the city. The second round of vaccine shots for urban Red Lake elders that attended the February 6th event will receive their second vaccine on March 6th through the Native American Community Clinic. At this time, I would like to introduce the Director of Public Safety, Mike Burns, to provide an update from his department.
Good afternoon. Thank you, Chairman, for allowing me to say a few words this afternoon. I wanted to give an update from the Law Enforcement Center. There were no significant incidents over the past week. I do want to touch base on the overdose epidemic. In the month of January, there were 28 overdoses. In the month of February so far, there have been 19 overdoses. And during this time, there were 6 fatalities. I need to update that number. There was one more just today. And I want to say a few words about the dangers of what we're dealing with here with these overdoses. The drug that we're having this issue with is called fentanyl. It's 50 times stronger than heroin. And people are using this and overdosing. People are thinking that, because they've been given Narcan or they have Narcan, that they can take this drug and overdose. Well, Narcan is not as effective with this fentanyl as people think. Narcan is designed to help people overdosing from opioids in general. But when you bring fentanyl into the mix, it's not guaranteed to work. I want to say a word directly to anybody who wants to come up to Red Lake Nation and sell fentanyl. Do not come to Red Lake and sell fentanyl. The police department is taking proactive actions to become alerted to the sales of fentanyl on the reservation. I want to say a word to anyone who's considering using fentanyl. Please do not use fentanyl. It is dangerous. You don't know what's going to happen with this drug. You'd be lucky to overdose and survive, honestly. Please do not use fentanyl. If you are experiencing addiction, I want you to know there's help out there. I would like you to take this number down. Call the Red Lake Chemical Health Team program. Their number is 218-679-3392. You can also call the Red Lake Police Department if you are having an issue with addiction. Our number there is 218-679-3313. Please reach out for help. Thank you very much.